If your Honda CR-V refuses to crank and starts beeping at you, it is usually a sign of a security or power issue. Statistically, 80% of these no-start events trace back to simple battery or connection problems. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to find out why your SUV is acting up. Start by checking the basics, including battery voltage, and ensuring your terminal connections are clean and tight. Often, a dead key fob battery prevents the immobilizer from disarming, which triggers that annoying beeping sound. If the battery is good, consider a failed starter motor or a faulty brake pedal switch that is blocking your start command. Try the simple DIY fixes first, but if the issue persists, you may need a technician to diagnose the security module. Costs vary wildly, from a few dollars for a battery to several hundred for a new starter motor. If you have a digital multimeter, perform a voltage drop test on your cables to identify hidden electrical resistance. Keep these essential tools in your garage to handle common electrical gremlins like this on your own. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery before poking around under the hood to avoid accidental shorts. Thanks for watching, and check the link in the description for more Honda troubleshooting guides.